Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one Dogecoin mining website, and just launched this website today. Just I make a new account in here and show you my first deposit and my first plan I to buy from this website, and I will be share with you how this website work. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. You can start earning from here. This is the plan you can buy 1.5% daily. This website pay you the minimum withdrawal, minimum deposit is 10 Dogecoin to 10,000 Dogecoin. And this is another plans you can read yourself and come here. This much is the user to register in here. This much is the last deposit and the last withdrawal from this website. And just click in the three dash and just click login or register. Just click register new account. Just put your full name, username, email, password, and repeat the password, and you can easily make an account. I have already an account to show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, my available balance is this much. I just deposit right now this amount. Just I go to in here. Just I go to the my investment in here. I deposit my first investment in here, and I have this much Dogecoin available in here, and just I select the plan in here. How much Doge I have? I have 94 Doge. Just I put 90, or I can put a 94. Okay, just I click in here to order the plan. Okay, you can see congratulations, you ordered the plan. This will be take 1 day. Okay, right now no profit, and in the 1 day I earned this much Dogecoin return, and this will be take 1 day, and tomorrow in this time I'll be share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. This website pay me or not. Okay, and this is the live chart of the Dogecoin. You can easily see the chart, and you can easily know the price going down or up. Okay, and thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. I just deposit live, and after 1 day I will be share with you the withdrawal proof, live withdrawal proof from this website. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.